how to dispute a Dropbox charge on bank statement. So in here, the very first thing that you guys want to do is identify the transaction. You'll need to locate the 12-digit transaction ID on your statement. For example, it could be Dropbox and your number. So identify that 12-digit number, and then from there you can use your credit card lookup. You can actually go to your dropbox.com/payment, or you can get to the support team, and then from there you can simply identify the account associated with the charge and make sure that you were wrongly charged, right? So after doing that, like I said, you can submit the refund request. You can get to the support team right here, and then in here you can actually appeal for a refund, and if within the account that you own, and if the charge is unrecognized or unauthorized, you can contact your bank to dispute the charge, and I'm pretty sure that your bank will be able to help you out. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.